Hello guys, I bought this ticket again. Sorpresa, sortura. Okay, we're looking for money bag to win the prize shown. The clover or tribo to win 3 times the prize shown. Okay, 10 in a row. 29 to 38, 38. 29 a 38. 10 euro. Okay, let's start. This ticket is so small, so we need to. Hi, winner! First scratch is a winner. Let's hope it's not €1. Ay, 2 wins. S for €2. Not bad, guys. €2 in the first ticket. 29. Let's hope we can find the clover. No? 30. Where's the 31? Here. 31. Cartera. Doesn't matter. I need the money bag and the clover. Tribo in Portuguese. No? 22. Nada. 3 in a row. 32. 33. Oso. Tesoro. Ferradora. Moedas. What is this here? Cofre. Diamante. 33. Let's go to 34. So far I have only €2, guys. This is not a good sign. Not a good sign. Hi, winner. Winner. Please don't give me A. Don't give me A and give me A. Letra A, €1. So, €3. The same like yesterday or what? So far I have €3. Ay, Jesus. Then, horseshoe. Be a winner. Be a winner. No. No tribo, no money bag. 35. So many losing tickets in this €1 ticket, guys. I need tribo. Diamante. Oso. Puti de oro. Arcoiris. This cofre. Ferradora. Anak cofre. What is this? This oro. Okay. Ticket number 36. So far I have only €3, guys. I just need one more win of clover. Puti de oro. Notas. Cartera. There's no win or what? Oh Lord. No. Ay, Jesus. Okay, so I have a last ticket. Sorpresa, sortuda. Can be a winner. Lingote. Cofre. Super, I have only 3. Ah, I found the clover. Wow. Clover. P. That's P. I have idea already what's P. I think I have idea already what's P. Clover, guys. So, Clover is gana 3 veces a cuantía indicada. Si encontrar un símbolo, tribo, gana 3 veces a cuantía indicada. Ay, please don't give me €1. If you give me €1 is 3 times €1 is €3, of course. Please, no €1. No €1. At least give me €2. No €1, no €1, no €1, no €1. Oh, Lord of mercy. Okay, so 3 times 1, of course. Ah, Jesus, this ticket. Okay, so 3 times the price shown. I could win a lot of chances to win 3 times. Could be 2. If only 1, could be 3 times 1, 3 times 2 at least. Okay, so the only way I could get is 3 times 1 or 3 times 2. Oh, Lord. If only 1 win in 1 ticket. Okay, so €3. Okay, so not bad, guys. €3. Y más €1. Okay, so 4. Y más 2. €6. The same result like yesterday. Okay, another €4 donation to Portugal Lottery. Oh, Lord. I never go far from €2, €1, €3. I I I didn't go up. Always the same. Okay, I was happy I found the Clover, guys. It's 3 times the price shown, but of course they give me €1. Not bad, guys. It's better than nothing. Okay, so I got €6 out of €10 session. I don't want to buy this a lot. It's just nice to scratch €1 tickets, guys, because for sure you find €1, €2. It's better than the €10 ticket. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.